Today we'll talk about how can you disable notification sounds on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go up above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, just click here on settings here, you just click on it. Then you come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just keep going down. So then you click here on chat settings. Then you come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to notification sounds. So then you click on disable it here. Like you say, notification sounds disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.